welcome back to the Mr. Brew City Bearded's Beard Cave. Today I've got for you a unboxing video from you can see there, Beard and Body. Something new company I've never tried. So let's get this box open and check it out. Bunch of packing peanuts. A distinguished oil. And it says it is cherry, cognac, and tobacco. Let's see how well you can see that, but it looks pretty good on my screen. Let's see what else we got. Distinguished butter. Same scent profile. One of his newer creation, which is what I was interested in. Nerfurter. This is Star Wars themed scent from Solo used to call Luke at times. And it says gunpowder and leather, which would be right up my alley. So we will be checking that out. So that is pretty cool. And it is made in Weberville, Michigan. You can see here on the side of the bottle. Shake before using. Ingredients: jojoba, argan, castor, broccoli seed, meadow foam seed, sweet almond oil, and essential oils. Oh, smell leather in the background, but that gunpowder smells fun. Smells nice. So I would approve of this. And we've got the distinguished. I really get a cherry tobacco. You get notes of the cognac in the back. It's a really nice put together scent. Smells like a very good cherry tobacco, which brings me back to my childhood. And then we've got the butter, and I believe these are all the same ingredients on this one as well. Jojoba, argan, castor oil, broccoli seed oil, meadow foam seed oil, sweet almond oil, and fragrance oils. And then we've got the beard butter for distinguished, which is shea butter, mango butter, coconut oil, beeswax, argan oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, and fragrance oil. And this is a 2 ounce. Kind of soft. Got a little tiny bit of grit to it, but not too bad. But you get the, and I get the cherry tobacco. almost a spicy smell, and you get a little bit of that cognac. I'm going to put it in my beard. Screw up the other smell. But it's pretty soft. But the grittiness is not like you're going to have grit sitting in your beard. It's very soft, very manageable. I'll use it for a while and give you guys my other thoughts on it. But this is Mr. Brew City Bearded. Talk to you next time.